Alright boys, so I told you all that I would be making a video of me installing the instant HP power chip. So guys, I'm in my car right now, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in. Alright guys, so the first instruction said to insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the first stage. So I have a push start button, so I'm just gonna click the button once and all my dash lights are gonna come on. And then it says plug in the instant HP tuning chip into your OBD2 port. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so now it says press and hold the reset button with a pointed object for 5 seconds, then release. All right, guys. So now I pushed the button with a small paper clip. I went out to Walmart and bought a few paper clips. So it says wait 20 to 30 seconds before starting the engine. It's been about 10. So we're gonna go ahead and move the seat back up really quick. So it says over time you're gonna notice power differences. You're gonna notice a power and torque increase. So it won't happen right away. Even though it says instant HP, it'll take, I don't know, a few minutes to, I don't know how long, it depends on how much you drive and stuff, to where you actually notice the difference. But we're gonna go ahead and start the car up now. It's been about 20 to 30 seconds. So no check engine lights, none of that. So now all it is just a waiting game, and we'll see what happens. I mean, I'll let y'all know what happens with the, if I notice an increase in horsepower and torque, or if the car seems quicker. I'll keep you all updated on that. So guys, I just went ahead and took my second drive with the new chip in. I took the first drive last night, and I'm noticing a power increase and torque increase. When I step on the gas, it'll adjust itself over time to the engine and how you drive and the performance, and it'll tweak all that stuff in the engine. So I'm gonna give you all a little test run. All right boys, so we're in the car driving. Dude, the power on this thing with this new chip is impressive. You can definitely tell a difference. It's currently actually like 55 degrees. No, it's 50 degrees. It feels like 60. It's great weather outside today, so I thought I'd film on this day instead of another day. So that is my update on the chip. Nothing on the springs yet, but again, make sure to follow my Instagram and the Clutch & Company's Instagram. Again, thanks for watching. I know this was a short video again, but if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like button and the little bell icon so you get notified every time that I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.